Welcome to today's video. One of my followers, she contacted me, and she was a kind of complaining to me that she could not find professional mode in her profile. So that was why I decided to go about making this video to serve as a solution to her and some other persons that might be experiencing that same challenge. So if you are a kind of person that maybe you've tried changing or converting your professional your Facebook profile into a professional mode, but you were unable to find the professional mode where it's supposed to be, so this video is actually for you. So, and I've always told us, if there be any problem you are experiencing online on your Facebook or anything that has to do with digital, feel free and let me know. Just all you need is just consult me and I will give you the expected solution. So if there be any problem, any challenge you're experiencing online, you can give me a dime or always leave your problem at the comment section and I will attend to it urgently as possible. So today's video, I will be showing us how to resolve that same challenge that she brought to my table. So if you are the one that, if you are also experiencing the same challenge that you've tried over and over to know if you can convert your personal profile into a professional profile. So if you have been finding it as a challenge, I'll be giving a general solution to everybody. So she too, she will be watching this video as well, and it will also be a solution to so many other persons that might be experiencing the same challenge. So, and please, if you have not liked this video, please kindly click on the like button. Leave your comment at the comment section so that I will know how you feel about the video, if it was helpful or there is any complication that has to do with it. Leave your comment under the comment section so that I will know how you feel about it. And always endeavor to share. Help me and share. These are the little ways you can support me while I serve you freely. Please help me like, comment, and share for others. So this is how you can resolve the issue of not seeing professional mode option in your profile. So all you need to do is log into your Facebook profile. So once you log in, now you have to head to the place you have the problem. So that place you couldn't find it, you head over to that place. So click on your Facebook profile image, click on it. So once you click on it, you'll be brought to this place. Now you click on this three dotted line. So once you click on this three dotted line, you scroll up, you can see that my own, it has it. But you that don't have your own, this is what you are going to do so that when next you come over to here, you will see it. So all you need to do now is to screenshot. All you need to do now is you screenshot this place. Just screenshot it. I will tell you what to use it for later on. So once you have screenshotted it, you exit. So exit from here. Now the next thing you are going to do is click on the hamburger sign. Once you click on it, you scroll down a little. Just scroll down. Now you are coming to this place. You click on report a problem. So you can see that there are some phones that anywhere you're having a challenge in Facebook, anywhere you're having a problem in Facebook, all you need to do is to shake your phone. Once you shake your phone, you'll be brought to the platform where you can report your problem to Facebook management. So, but there are some phones that it doesn't work like that. So if your type of phone, it works by shaking, all you need to do is go to that place you're looking for the problem, or the place you have the problem. Once you shake your phone, shake it very well. Now Facebook site will open where you can report your issue or the challenge you are experiencing. Now for you that your own cannot do like that, all you need to do is just go through the processes, the steps that I've just shown you, and you'll be brought to this place. So the next thing you do is click on continue. So once you click on continue, this is a place you can now write the problem you have and what you would like Facebook to do on your behalf. And you can see that they said include in report, don't include in report. So here you are going to be selecting this blue one so that you will include the image of what I will explain the problem you are having in a more understanding way. So just click on this include a report. Now this is where you are going to use that screenshot that I told you that you will do. So that screenshot that I told you earlier that you must do, this is where you are going to use it. Now you are going to select photo. So once you select on photo, now that screenshot where we could not find that professional mode, there is a screenshot we made. So I'm going to import it here right away. So I will click on add image. So once I click on add image, now I will now select that screenshot that I did previously. So I'm going to select the screenshot. So this is the screenshot here. I will select it. So if your screenshot is more than one, you can add more. So you can add multiple images here. So the essence of adding this image is to give Facebook a clearer understanding of what your problem is, because you might end up writing English that may not really talk about the problem you are having. So that is why they normally request for image, photo, or anything that will give them more understanding on what you are reporting about. So after you've uploaded this image, now here you now go ahead and type your problem. So you can just give them in a write-up, just very brief and short explanation of the experience or the challenge you are getting on Facebook. So here I'm going to say something like, please, I've been trying to convert my profile. I've been trying to convert my profile to professional mode, but couldn't find the option to turn it on. Please, I really need an urgent solution. Thanks. So once you have typed, just go, you know how you normally speak your own English. Just make sure that what you are writing there is very comprehensive, something that they will read and understand the point you are making. So once you are done uploading and typing the problem you are experiencing, you go ahead and click on send. So once you click on send, you see the feedback that came from Facebook, which says, thanks for letting us know. Your feedback helps us make Facebook better for everyone. So once you have done this, you now have to wait, for the next 24 hours. So in the next 24 hours, Facebook will fix your problem. And once you now go back to that place again, that place that you couldn't find the professional mode option, if you now go there again, you see that the thing will appear right there. So this is the simple way you can use to resolve the problem of not seeing professional mode in your profile. So if you found this helpful, if you found this video educative, if this video has really solved a problem to you, so please help me like, share, and comment. These are the little ways you can support me while I serve you freely. Just help me like, comment, and share for others to benefit, and God will really bless you for that. Thanks.